One of the aspects that outshines a brand in the marketing field is content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage a targeting audience. It is crucial in digital marketing as it focuses on building long term relationships and brand loyalty rather than immediate sales. One of the key aspects of understanding content marketing is the target audience. Target audience helps tailor content to meet their specific needs and interests. Creating detailed buyer personas assist in understanding the demographics, preferences, and behavior of the intended audience. Now, tools such as age and gender and the demographic situations like towns and cities visited or the products has been buy through can help us understand the target audience in a more effective manner. Now, to understand the distribution of this content marketing, we need blogging platforms. Blogging as a marketing strategy involves creating and publishing relevant, valuable, and consistent content on a platform with the goal of attracting and engaging a target audience. This approach has become a fundamental component of content marketing due to its ability to enhance brand visibility, connect with the audience, and drive business goals. To organize such content marketing behavior, we need a scheduled plan for execution. And content calendar is a schedule that organizes when and where content will be published. Tools like Tello, Co-schedule, or CMS-based editorial calendars aid in planning, ensuring a consistent and organizing content creation process. One of the example of Canva content planner has been displayed here, and we can organize the future aspects of our content to be displayed. Now, to understand the distribution of these content, we need an analytical tool. The analysis and the tracking performance of insights provide data on content performance. Tracking metric helps us assess the performance and association of the product in the infographics such as videos, images, and enhance the engagement. The social media reach also helps us in understanding our target audience in a better format. Platforms like Google or Instagram helps us make a reach of our platform in a minute and micro level. And a data analysis of these platforms helps us in the engagement of the product that has been done by us. Email marketing is one of the most important tool for the social media distribution. It is an effective channel for content promotions. Platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contract assist in creating and automating email campaigns, keeping the audience informed and engaged. MailChimp has been displayed here and it gives us a detailed analysis of the gender, age range, and other engaging factors that has been included in the email marketing. Now, after tracking performance, we need the key metrics. Key performance indicators or KPIs like website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement are also crucial for evaluating the success of content marketing campaigns. To understand the content marketing campaigns, we need one real world example of how companies have executed their marketing strategies through content marketing. And one such example will be of Nike. Nike's content marketing shines in its storytelling approach, particularly through campaigns that resonate with their audience's values and aspirations. Just Do It campaigns, as presented here, is a slogan that has been the centerpiece of numerous campaigns that inspire people to push beyond their limits. Through storytelling narratives, Nike features athletes of all levels, from amateurs to elite, to inspire its audience. Recent years have seen Nike focusing on inclusion and diversity in its content marketing, hitting the narrative, highlighting athletes from various backgrounds, genders, and abilities as we have seen in the earlier prospects. Nike revenues for the 12th month ending November 30, 2023 was 51,542 billions, a 4.96% increase year over year. And Nike's annual revenue for 2023 was 51,217 billion, at 9.65% increase from 2022. Nike remains a firm favorite of American teens throughout due to its content marketing aspects. In conclusion, this comprehensive association of model can provide us with strategy development, content creation, and optimization and distribution of our product on a global domain to provide us with better and efficient approach through our consumers to us. Hence, we can conclude that content marketing plays a firm role in associating a product in the brand marketing situations.